Hi everyone, I am Gurpreet Singh. Welcome to my channel Data Quest. Today I am excited to introduce you to an agentic AI forecasting tool designed to generate accurate prediction based on your historical data. This tool leverages a range of advanced forecasting techniques including ARIMA, Profit, Random Forest, XGBoost, LightGBM and LSTM. It produces monthly forecast for the next 2 years using the data you have provided. In addition to generate predictions, the tool calculates key performance matrices such as a mean absolute error, root mean squared error, R squared, and mean absolute percentage error. To help you choose the most reliable model, it also ranks each forecasting methods based on RMSE and provides clear guidance on which model delivers the highest accuracy so you can confidently move forward with the best performing option. Now let me give you the demo of this tool and then I will teach you how you can make this model by yourself. For this demo, I have used iPhone's historical sales data. Let me open this file and show you what it contains. It contains last 5 years month over month sales for iPhone, and we will use this data to predict what would be iPhone sales month over month for 2025 and 2026. I will attach this file in the description so you can follow along. As of now, this tool is running on my local machine, so that's why you are seeing the local host URL showing on here. But if you need to access this, you need to click on this link, and I will be pasting this link in the description box. Once you enter this link, you need to click on this browse file option, and this raw file which I have attached in the description box, you need to select it, right? And then just click on open, and that's it. It will do its own course and it will take around 1 to 2 minutes only to predict the accurate forecast for you. You just need to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It start doing its thing in the background, and you see that it start generating the forecast basis different forecasting model like ARIMA and Profit, Random Forest, XGBoost, Light GBM, and LSTM. It has also created a Excel downloadable file which you can download and you can use for your working. So let me show you that file as well, how it gives the output. So it will give you forecast summary Excel file. Let me just open it. Now here you see in the summary sheet, it has given the forecast accuracy of all these 6 models. So XGBoost is the one who is giving us the highest accuracy, and the second highest is Random Forest, and third one is the Profit model. It all depends on your data, right? Sometimes basis on your data, Profit will give you the more accuracy and the XGBoost can give you the lesser accuracy, and sometimes Random Forest or ARIMA can give you the more accuracy than XGBoost, right? So it all depends on how vast your historical data is and what are the other random variations, seasonality and other factors are available in your model. So in our case, XGBoost is the one who is giving us the most accuracy, and then let's see how it is close to the reality. So you see, if I plot a graph here, although graph is also showing on my tool as well. So you see, this is how it has created a month over month data. So there is a seasonality, right, which we clearly can see, and then here the suddenly volume drops after December. So if I go to my tool as well, you see in XGBoost we are seeing the similar trend, right? January our sale is lesser, it is dropping, and after September it is increasing because iPhone launches its new model every September, and till December the sales are going up, and suddenly it's in next month year starting the sales gonna drop. Historical data is depicting, and in the same range our forecasting model XG Boost is predicting our next 2 to 3 years forecast here. That concludes today's video. I encourage you to explore the tool and share any question or doubts in the comments below. I'll be happy to assist. Over the next few weeks, I'll be releasing a series of 3 to 4 videos detailing how I built this agentic tool using Python. To stay updated, please subscribe to the channel and enable all notifications so you don't miss the next upload. If you have any suggestion or feedback, feel free to reach out via email at dataquestbygurpreet@gmail.com. I'll do my best to respond promptly. In the coming days, I'll be uploading a series of videos designed to help you master a variety of powerful tools, including SQL, Python, machine learning algorithms, Power BI, Advanced Excel, and Excel VBA. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, happy learning.